Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside WPS Writer with your target file open. Save a backup so you can revert. Next, gather the pages you want to insert. Use docx or PDF or copy text ready to paste. Once done, enable the ruler and navigation pane to preview page breaks. This helps you place content precisely and prevents surprises when layout shifts. You now insert the pages. Choose Insert File to pull a docx directly or Insert Object if embedding is needed. If you're importing from PDF, convert pages or insert as images, then resize to fit margins. Make sure to add page breaks or section breaks where formatting must change. This keeps headers, footers, and orientation intact. As you go, use the navigation pane to drag and reorder pages until the sequence matches your plan. You finish by checking headers, footers, and page numbering so everything runs consecutively. Make sure margins, orientation, and styles match the rest of the document. Change section settings if a page needs unique layout. If something goes wrong, text shifts, numbering resets, reinsert the problematic page as plain text or import by section, then reapply styles. Finally, save with a new file name and review the navigation pane to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.